Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Manjot, MD Dermatologist, and today I'm going to help you decide and know how to choose your shampoo and how to use it. So many times I have seen a lot of people when they're visiting a supermarket, they look confused when they visit the section with the shampoos, and there's so many colored bottles there, and they're wondering which one will suit them and which one won't. They end up picking the one with the best packaging or the one with the best deal. And I actually, as a dermatologist, feel like going and telling them, no, this is not going to suit you, but I'm not able to do that, trying not to offend them. So I thought I have to help people in the maximum way that I could, and this video is intended to help you decide which shampoo you should choose and decide on which one is going to work best for you. So the basic truth behind shampoos is that they are overused. Our body tends to produce natural oils and they are supposed to coat our hair. But if we shampoo our hair daily, those natural oils get washed off. So you feel your hair becomes very dry. And that's when you start overusing conditioners also. So you're trying to moisturize it with conditioners then. And this all can be balanced if you use the right shampoo the right way. If you have, suppose you have fine hair or you have dry hair, you should use a volumizing or a moisturizing shampoo. Most of these bottles do mention these words on it. They will say volumizing shampoos, and moisturizing shampoos usually mention that they tend to lock in the moisture and are going to work for you if you have dry hair. If you have overly processed hair, like straightened them, rebonded hair or colored hair, then you should go in for a protein-based shampoo. Protein-based shampoos can tend to give a little strength to the hair and make them look much more healthier over a period of time. Suppose you have oily hair. Now, oily scalp and oily hair are two different things. There are a lot of people who come to me and they say they have an oily scalp but their hair feels dry, or they say that their hair entirely is too oily and they want to solve that. So if you have an oily scalp and dry hair, which is the most common type of hair problem that we face in India, you should use a clarifying shampoo. A clarifying shampoo is an extremely strong cleansing agent shampoo. So it tends to clean the scalp very well, but make sure you use it more on the scalp and less on the hair. So many times, for ladies, they're washing their hair just twice a week. I advise them to use the shampoo twice a week on the scalp and just once a week on the hair. So you're actually going to wash your scalp twice and your hair just once a week, which is sufficient. So this helps the hair in not getting too dry, because these clarifying shampoos can actually strip off the natural oils even more, and you need to be cautious about that. If you're using a clarifying shampoo, you do definitely need to use a conditioner on your roots to help retain the moisture. Now, if you also have very, very oily hair, or suppose you work out a lot and you tend to get an oily scalp, every time you work out you're sweating a lot, there's this new entity called dry shampoos, and they can be there in a liquid form or a powder form or maybe an aerosol form. Aerosol means a spray. So you can easily apply them by spreading them all over your roots, and they're going to help dry up your roots and not make them too oily, or not make them too shiny or glistening when you're outside. So this is something that's going to help a lot of people with oily hair. The other type of shampoos that are available are shampoos for curly hair, or curly hair like mine. So they have to be co-washes or moisturizing shampoos. Curly hair, if you tend to examine it, it's always very frizzy, it's always very dry, and this type of hair can actually, if you don't give it proper care, it can actually break very fast. So you need to moisturize it, you need to condition it more, and it needs more care than normal straight hair. If you have a very itchy scalp, so if you have there's no dandruff, there's no skin problem, but it's always very itchy and sensitive and red, you can look for a neutralizing shampoo. Now, what does a neutralizing shampoo do? It helps to balance the pH. So if you have seen this baby shampoos, or if you've seen the baby soaps, they mention a pH of 5.5 and safe for your kids. So that's exactly what a neutralizing shampoo does. It helps to balance the pH of the scalp. So it tends to decrease the itching, make it look much more healthier, and that's going to work for you. So these are the different types of shampoos, and you can decide which one suits you by understanding your hair type first. I hope this video was helpful, and stay tuned for the product recommendations in the comments below. Thanks.